Welcome back. I'm Reap, and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today we have something a little different for my channel. You know, I'm all about the sneakers, of course, and the streetwear, but you have to have the accessories as well to complete the outfit. So, if you can tell from the title, man, I've been seeing this company or this page pop up a lot on my Facebook feed and my IG feed. So I was like, well, let me see what's to this joint. You know what I'm saying? I want to check them out. And come to find out, they're based in Australia, which is, you know, something new. I definitely like shopping internationally. I just never stumbled upon an Australian company. So, looking through their website, you know, they have a lot of dope stuff, man. I feel like it's low-key Australian lids. You know, you check the site out, you see what I'm talking about. But I know they have, like, the hats. They have, like, apparel. Jerseys, of course. But for most of that stuff, I can just get it from a local store or a website in the States. It's not really that deep for me to use them to get that stuff. But, oh, hold on. The packaging is supreme right here. I like this. I really do. So, yeah, as I was saying, man, a lot of stuff I can just get locally. But they did have a lot of hats. Okay, I thought it was only one. I was about to say, hold on, man. I paid for 2 of these joints. But, yeah, the hats I would definitely go for just because they have a variety of styles, especially like styles and colorways I haven't seen personally. So if y'all want to check them out, definitely do so. I'm give you a review right now so you see the quality and if it's really worth it. So if you don't know already, man, this is a video about Culture Kings. That's the website right there, culturekings.com.au. Definitely dope presentation, man. I give them that. As y'all can see right there, you got the Duke coming through. Woo! I never had a hat that came in like a separate box before, so that's pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. They're already giving me good points right there off rip. So let's go ahead and go one by one. So you got that Duke blue. I really thought this was a suede hat, to be honest. Like, so I'm kind of disappointed in that aspect because, like I said, I thought it was suede, but still a dope hat. You know, I know everybody on the fitted wave, but my head is pretty big and I grow my hair out and cut it way too often for me to like invest in fitteds. So snapback, strap back, Velcro back, whatever. That's the route for me. You still get the bent brim and all that, you know, the colorways and everything. But that's just my personal preference. I know a lot of guys, they're all into the fitteds, man. More power to you. And this particular brand is Freshman Crown. So yeah, I never heard of them before, but definitely dope hat. I'm just kind of pissed that it's not suede. So maybe I'll just have to go back to the actual site and look at the hat again. Maybe it was just like a mistake on my part. But anyway, still dope hat. Duke Nation, you know what I'm saying, how we do. Now this one. This is the one that I really wanted. I've never see that Tennessee Titans, man. Tighten up all day. But not only is a Tennessee Titan snap, it's black corduroy, man. Is that coming up on the camera? Oh my, look at that. Come on, man. Who is getting corduroy snapbacks, man? Then you got the green underbrim. That's like, you can't get any more vintage than that, man. And this is what, it's a golfer snapback. So that's the first. Never seen a golfer snapback, but it's a new era. So this is actually a well-known brand outside of the Freshman Crown, which I never heard of, but official U.S. sports license apparel. So I mean, it's legit in my book. And then I mean, they're hats at the end of the day. So like, if you get a fake hat or an unauthorized hat, is it really that big of a deal? But let me go and test this joint out real quick, man. Oh yeah, we in there. Especially with the fro, you know what I'm saying? We still got a nice little snug fit. But once I get the cut, it's definitely gonna fit a lot better. But this hat is too fire. I'm sorry we're not a Titans fan, but just admire. I gotta get me right. You just gotta admire, man, the quality on this corduroy snap, man. So yeah, man, I definitely give my stamp of approval, seal of approval, for Culture Kings. Well, the hats anyway. I might do another video if y'all want me to, man, to try to test out some other stuff they have on the site. Like I said, there's a lot of apparel. I want to say they sell shoes as well, but I'm going to stay away from that. But yeah, as far as hats, man, I might pick up some tees or something. Just let me know what else you would like to see from Culture Kings. But yeah, I'm definitely satisfied with my first purchase. So Culture Kings definitely got a customer. I will be looking for some more hats in the future. So you got your boy Reap. You got the Duke Blue Devils. You got the Tennessee Titans corduroy. This is the craziest hat I've seen. If you've seen crazier, let me know down in the comments. Tag me on IG, E.Reap. Tag me on Twitter, E.Reap. Same name. Come on, green underbrim. Come on, man. You can't get any more vintage than that, man. I'll catch y'all on the next.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.